Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Excel chapter 2 simulation training. In this video I will do this complete simulation training, and if you want me to do this training for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your complete courses. So now let's launch this simulation training. Let this load first. This is loading. Total questions to solve in this simulation training are 10, and you can see the question at bottom right. In cell D8, create a formula to subtract the value in cell C8 from B8. So we will go to D8. We will subtract the values in cell C8 from B8. So B8 minus C8. Okay, press enter. Copy the formula. We will use the fill handle to copy the formula. That is all about question number 1. In cell F8, create a formula to divide the values in E8 by cell B5 using relative cell references. So we will go to cell F8. We are supposed to divide the values in E8 divided by B5. Okay. Copy the formula. Okay. We will use the fill handle to copy the formula. Look at cell F9. Then undo the action of copying the formula, undo the action. Okay. Edit the rate per period formula in cell F8 by making B5 an absolute reference. So we are supposed to make it an absolute reference by using the dollar sign, this one. Okay, then again copy the formula, and that is all about question number 2. So we are done with question number 2 as well. Enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the number of PMT period for the first loan by multiplying the years by the PMT per years using mesh cell references for the cell containing the PMT per year. Okay, so we are supposed to multiply G8 multiply by B5. Okay, and make the this one. Copy the formula, use fill handle, double click on this to copy the formula. That is all about question number 3. So we are done with 3 questions. Now we are supposed to do question number 4. Use the auto sum feature to enter in cell B16. B16 is here, sum function, and range is B8 up to B12, and press enter. That is question number 4. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 5. Use auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter average in cell B17. Go to B17, type average function. Average function is here. Write the range B8 up to B12 and press enter. That is question number 5. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 6. Use the insert function command to left of the formula bar to search for the median. Use the insert function command to the left of the function in cell median. This one, again range is B8 up to B12, because now we are supposed to find the median. So that is all about question number 6. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 7. Use the auto sum arrow on the formula bar to enter. Okay, so now we are supposed to find minimum. So type equal sign, type minimum. Okay, and then again select the range or type the range, that is B8 up to B12, and press enter. That is the minimum. Now we are supposed to find maximum. Again type equal sign, type maximum. Again type the range B8 up to B12, this one. B18 we are supposed to use the count function, count, and range is B8 up to B12 and press enter. Type 42 5000 in cell B9. B9 is here. $42,500. That is all about question number 7. So we are done with question number 7 as well. And now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 8. Okay, insert a lookup function x lookup in cell G9. So we will go to cell G9 and we are simply supposed to insert this function, this one. You can simply copy and paste here and press enter. So 1 second. This one, okay. Copy the function, use fill handle to copy the function. So that is all about question number 8. So we are done with question number 8. Now we are supposed to do question number 9. So we are simply supposed to enter this function, PMT function, in cell H9, okay. This is H9. So instead of entering, I will again simply copy this one, or you can copy or you can paste it here. Other way is you can simply type it here as well. So I am just copying and pasting here, press enter, okay. Again we are supposed to copy the function, so double click on the fill handle, okay. That is all about this question. So we are done with 9 questions of this simulation training. Now we are supposed to do last question of this simulation training, that is question number 10, and we are supposed to type this if function in cell I9. So we will go to cell I9 and we are supposed to type this if function here. So you can simply type this if function here, or you can simply copy this from here and paste it here and press enter. So again we will use the fill handle to copy the function down, double click on the fill handle, okay. So we have completed this simulation training. So I have solved all the questions for you in this simulation training, and you can see the result, that is submission grade is 100%. So all question status is correct. So I have solved this complete simulation training for you in